painting and branding. The aircraft is washed, polished, and coated with protective primer. Paint is applied in climate-controlled hangars using robotic sprayers. A wide-body plane, like Boeing 757, can take up to 1 week to paint. A full paint job can weigh 250-500 kg. 12. Ground and flight testing. Every aircraft is tested. Taxi tests, running engines and brakes on the ground. Pressure tests. Fuselage is pressurized to ensure no leaks. Engine tests. Engines are run at full thrust while the plane is locked. Flight tests. Pilots push the plane to limits. Stall speed, sharp turns, emergency situations. 13.